Hello students, this particular question is from electronics and communications. The subject is electronic devices and circuits, and this particular question has come in the electronics and communication gate 2017 afternoon paper. So given two transistors M1 and M2, if you observe the symbols here, both are NMOS transistors. Okay, the first transistor is given the voltage as 2.5 volts, second transistor is given the voltage as 2 volts. The source voltage is 3 volts and the threshold voltage is given as equal to 1 volt, and we have to find the region of operation of the two transistors. Options are given: linear, saturation, linear, saturation, linear. Now I think when we learned about the CMOS transistors, we have learned a table. So when a particular transistor NMOS and PMOS are going to be in active and saturation region. Now because the transistor is purely based on the NMOS, we can directly say when the value of the VGS, if it is less than the threshold voltage, the NMOS is going to be in off state, when the value of VGS is going to be in between the top of the threshold voltage and the VDD by 2. It is going to be on but in saturation region. VGS is going to be equal to the top VDD by 2. It is once again in the saturation region. When the value of VGS is going to be in between the top VDD by 2 and VDD minus VTH, then it is going to be in on saturation. When the value of VGS is going to be greater than the value of VDD minus VTH, it is once again going to be in the on linear. Okay, here it is on linear, here also it is going to be on linear. So what is the answer going to be here? Here VDD is given as 3 volts and the VGS is going to depend on the transistor. Now here for the first transistor M1, the value of VGS is going to be 2.5. Now 2.5 is going to be in this particular range. So 2.5, here it is 1.5 and here it is nothing but 3 minus 1. Okay, so VGS is going to be 2.5. So here VGS is greater than the value of VDD minus VTH. VTH is 1 and this is equal to 3. So this is when the value of VGS is going to be greater than the value of 2, which is the case here, 2.5, the transistor is going to be in the on region. So the first transistor M1 is going to be in on linear region. The second transistor, if you observe, the value is equal to 2. 2 is going to lie in the region, this particular thing. The value of VGS is going to be VDD by 2 less than or equal to the top VDD minus VTH. If it is greater than that, then it is going to be in the last one. So here it is going to be in this particular region, the on linear once again. The M2 is also going to be in the linear region. So the answer for this particular question is option A, both the transistors are in linear region.